Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Fong. Today I'd like to demo, let's say example, suddenly your Autogate cannot be opened even though the remote or inside the switch. Example I show you, it cannot open. So what should you do? Actually you can try off your house ELCP. Show you this is a ELCP. You just off the main, this is a main. You off with the whole house, no current. You just wait for 5 seconds and then try to turn on. Okay, I think more than 5 seconds. I on it. Okay, now I try, see it can work or not. Alright, now it's working. Hope this video can help you all. Thank you so much.